Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. It's been a while. I'm sorry since I posted the first part of my math handwriting improvement video, and sorry for that. I've been really busy lately, but finally I've got some time to come up with this video and showcase it to you guys. So in today's video I'm going to focus mostly on geometric forms, and I'll continue like working around with like lettering and numbers, but for the most part I covered that in the first like for the most part I covered that in the first video. So if you want to check that out, link will be in the description. So as again, before I start, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video like this. I plan on posting more educational videos like this to help out people who want to get into the STEM field or people just doing math in general. I definitely want to help all of you out, so please make sure to subscribe so that these videos can keep coming. So let's get started. So now the first thing, when it comes to like geometric forms, triangles, rectangles, whatever, you really want to be accurate with it because assuming that you're taking a class like geometry or somewhere else where you have to draw a physical form, like geometric forms, I'm assuming that you probably want to get into an engineering field, and if you want to get into an engineering field, you have to know how to draw pretty well, pretty accurately. Like if a question asks for like a right triangle and you draw I don't know, an acute triangle, it probably wouldn't make sense to you if you're trying to solve some kind of equation using the triangle. So I'm just going to cover like how to some just like very, very easy basics of how to like draw perfect shapes so that your handwriting is clear and concise. So basically all you really need is a pencil and a straight edge, like a ruler. You can have the measurements if you want. I personally don't really care about measuring, but if you want, you can measure it if you think that would help. So basically, again, same thing with the ruler, just make sure to align it correctly, make sure it's straight across the page and not curved like that. Make sure it's straight across, or it depends, if you're drawing something that is curved, you could probably do that, but for the most part, if you want it, you'll probably want it straight across. And then of course, keep with a steady hand. With a steady hand and like a strong grip on the ruler, just draw a straight line, and as you can see there, a perfect straight line. There's no it's not curved, it's not bent, it flows well, and it doesn't look like it's been made very, very it's taken like a while to make, like how like doing that, basically it doesn't look like that. So that way it's much better. And so that's a straight line. Let's make a triangle out of it. So let's say a right triangle. So then you want a right angle around there. So let's draw like a line that's perpendicular to this at the end. Again, just match up your ruler, make it straight and perpendicular to the end, and make sure that your pencil is also aligned with the end of one of the sides, and then draw a straight line up to wherever you want to end it. And just like that, you have the two sides with this one perpendicular here. And then the next thing you can do is you can draw the hypotenuse, which is just a slant from this end to that end. So again, same thing. This time you're gonna curve your ruler, but it's still overall the same thing with a steady hand. Just like that, we've got a perfect right triangle. And this way your diagrams, again, will make much more sense. Let's draw now a rectangle. So again, for a rectangle now, let's just draw a general rectangle. So again, first things first, draw one of the vertical sides, straight line, gentle steady grip on the pencil, and a strong grip on the ruler so that it doesn't like curve and then ruin the line. And then over here, again, same thing with the base of the of the rectangle. And again with the other with the side opposite it. And your finished product should end up looking something like that. Just like that, it's a perfect rectangle. And again, it's clear, it makes sense, you can read it easily. So Again, with geometric forms, you want to, if you want, you can use a straight edge, but it's not always necessary because it is a time-consuming process. Other times you could just draw simply with, like, free draw it like that. Of course, it wouldn't be as perfect, but if you can still make sense of it, then by all means go for it. I do prefer using the ruler though, just to make it more clear. And well, that's about it for geometric forms. For circles, that's a different story. If you want, you could freehand a circle, but it won't be perfect, of course. For a perfect circle, you need the compass for that, but I could cover that in another video if you want. But for now, this is part 2 of mathematical handwriting done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I really helped you out here, and be with you soon. Thank you for watching.